Good morning students. Today we are going to do exercise 9.1. We'll study about writing the equivalent rational numbers, ordering of the rational numbers. Good morning students. We are on chapter 9, rational numbers. As I told you, the numbers which are in the form of P upon Q, where PQ are integers and Q cannot be equal to 0. So this is the definition of rational number. In our previous class, we have done about number line, we have done the standard form, we have done the absolute value. Now we are going to write the equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers. Now, if I give you a rational number and if their numerator and denominator, suppose I give you I take minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Then I say that write at least 3 equivalent rational numbers to the given rational number. So what will you do? Minus 2 upon 3 multiplied with the numerator and denominator both with 2 means to the numerator you have multiplied with 2 and also to the denominator you have multiplied with 2. Now if I reduce it, I am just left with minus 2 upon 3. So it will become minus 4 upon 6. Clear? Then this is 1 equivalent, then minus 2 upon 3, I will multiply it with 3, both numerator and denominator, then it becomes minus 6 upon 9. This is your second equivalent rational number. Then minus 2 upon 3, numerator multiplied with 4, denominator multiply with 4. So in this manner, you are going to write, you can write infinite, means endless number of equivalent rational numbers. You must have done in your fractions also in class 6 how to write. Okay. So in this manner, you are going to write the equivalent rational numbers. And here, when you are writing it, the denominator, you are going to make it positive. I'll give you one more example. If it is 1 upon minus 5. Clear? And you have to write equivalent rational number of 1 upon minus 5. So what you will do, you have to remove this negative sign from the denominator. So I will multiply 1 upon minus 5 with minus 2 and minus 2 the numerator also. Now when you multiply minus minus, they will become positive and this is minus 2 upon 10. Okay. So you are to remove the negative sign from the denominator. Instead of taking, here I have taken all the positive values because my denominator was already positive. Now as the denominator is negative, so I have taken negative integer to make the denominator positive. Clear? So in this manner you are going to write the equivalent rational numbers, and you can write as many. If I say 3, 5, 10, so you can write as many just by increasing the numbers, integers. Now how to write a rational number with positive denominator? Because negative denominator is not a standard form, that you know. But how to write the rational number? Suppose I have make denominator positive of a rational number. How you are going to make it? Suppose you have 5 upon minus 9. This is a rational number. Now see here, we have done multiplicative identity. Means if I multiply any integer, any number with 1, its identity remains same. Okay? But here you have to make the denominator positive. How will you do? So I will multiply the numerator and denominator with minus 1, because the value of the integer will remain same. Only the sign will get changed. So minus minus, it will become plus. So minus 5 upon 9. In this manner you are going to make the negative denominator positive. Otherwise, if it is minus 5 upon 9, the denominator is already positive. So there is no need to do anything. For writing equivalent, you can write by multiplying with 2. So it will become minus 10 upon 18. Okay. So this is just to make the denominator positive. Okay. Then there is another thing, how to write a rational number. This already, all these things you have already done in your previous class. Same denominator rational number. Same denominator rational number. How to write it? Suppose you have 5 upon 8, one rational number, and other is minus 7 upon 9. So what you will do, take LCM of the denominators of 8 and 9. Okay. You have to take LCM of 8 and 9. So it will come out to be 72. So now as you have to make the denominator same of both these rational numbers, so I will multiply this with 9. So it becomes 45 upon 72, and minus 7 upon 9, I will multiply this with 8. So this will become minus 56 upon 72. Okay. Now see here, the denominators are same. Both the denominators are same. So in this manner you are going to write the rational numbers with same denominator. Clear? Now if I give you a question and I say you have to, I give you 2 upon 3 is a rational number. you have to write this rational number in such a way that the numerator is rational number is 2 upon 3 and the numerator will become 18. So how will you do? Now here you have to make the numerator 18. So divide 18 by 2. The quotient is 9. So means 2 upon 3 you will multiply numerator with 9, then you will get 18. So here the denominator has also to be multiplied with 9. So it becomes 18 upon 27. Clear? So how to make denominators equal? Same that you know by taking LCM. And if sometime the question may come, change this rational number so that the numerator here I have asked for 18. So how to make it 18? You can see as it is smaller, so divide it. Definitely it will be multiplied. You cannot add or subtract to make it. Okay? Addition and subtraction cannot be done. Only multiplication and division can be done with the numerators and denominator. Then the next topic is comparison of rational numbers. How to compare given rational number. Comparison of rational numbers. Comparing which one is greater and which one is smaller. Suppose you have minus 4 upon 5 and other number is minus 3 upon 8. Okay. Now here the denominators are different. First thing, so you have to take LCM. LCM of 5 and 8 is going to be 40. Until and unless the denominators are not same or means they are not like rational numbers, till then you cannot compare them. So minus 4 upon 5 multiplied by 8. So this becomes minus 32 upon 40 and minus 3 upon 8 multiplied by 5 and it becomes minus 15 upon 40. Now the denominators are same. This is negative 32 and this is negative 15. So which one is bigger? Minus 15 upon 40 is bigger. So in this manner you are going to compare the two rational numbers. And if you have to arrange them in ascending or descending order, that you know for the fractions how to do. So it is done in the same manner. Okay. So ordering, how to order the rational numbers. If you know the comparison, you can do the order of rational numbers. First step is to make all equivalent not equivalent, like by taking LCM and then arrange them. Okay. I'll do, you have 3 upon 7, 4 upon 5 minus 5 upon 21 and 2 upon 15. Okay. All are with different denominators. If you have to arrange them in ascending order. First thing, you can see that minus only one negative integer is there. So this is going to be the smallest one. So you can write this as the smallest one. So there is, by the negative sign you can make out, but as others are of different, so you have to take the LCM. So you can take LCM of all these. 7, 1, 5, 3, 15, 5, 3, 5, then, sorry, this will be 3, then 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. So LCM is 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3, and it comes out to be 15 sevens are 105. So now your 3 upon 7 is to be multiplied by 15. So it will become 45 upon 105. Then 4 upon 5 is to be multiplied with 21. So this becomes 84 upon 105, and then minus 5 upon 21 is to be multiplied with 5. It becomes minus 25 upon 105, and 2 upon 15 is to be multiplied with 7. So it becomes 14 upon 105. Now this one is the smallest, so write upon 105, then 14 upon 105, then 45 upon 105, and then 84 upon 105. Now what are their respective equivalent values? Minus 5 upon 21, then 14 is 2 upon 15, then 3 upon 7, and then 4 upon 5. So in this manner you are going to order the given rational numbers. Clear? So this is regarding your up to, I think you will be able to do till question number 11. Okay. So this is up to your question number 11. That is going to be your homework.